Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have a fun product to try out. This is from the brand LA Colors. I love trying out LA Colors makeup products, and this is the Mood Gloss. Turns from clear to your own unique shade of pink. I did get this in the shade In the Mood, but I guess it's gonna turn to my custom shade anyways. Ooh, and it says it moisturizes with aloe vera, which I'm glad to see because I have dry chapped lips. And I actually picked this up from Family Dollar. It was in that huge Family Dollar makeup haul that I did recently, and it cost $2. I have tried out color changing lip products before, and I think they're so fun. So just this easy squeezy tube packaging. I want to just do a little swatch to be able to watch how it color changes. Oh yeah, look, it goes on completely clear. Ooh, this also has a really nice sweet scent to it. It kind of smells like a pixie stick. It's kind of what it smells like to me, like a sweet fruity sugar. Doesn't seem to really be changing color on my hand. Still pretty clear, maybe the slightest pink, but let's see what happens when I apply it to my lips. So watch closely. Wow. So just first impressions, I'm going to continue looking in the mirror to watch my lips change color. So excuse my lack of eye contact, but I really like the feel of this gloss with first impression. It's like a slippy, not too thick type of gloss that really is immediately moisturizing. And it has high shine to it. You know, just the other day I tried out the Flawless lip line smoothing gloss, which was like a $25 lip gloss. And I feel like this $2 lip gloss smooths out the lines in my lips just as much, if not more, than that gloss, because all it really takes is a high shine moisturizing gloss, and this is even more moisturizing than that Flawless lip gloss. This is immediately getting rid of any dry, chapped areas on my lips. And what do we think of that color change? My lips definitely look a little bit more pink, but it's not very dramatic of a color change. It's super subtle, which is not a bad thing. So it's very easy to wear. It just adds the slightest little hint of color. But mostly what I'm loving about this is how moisturizing it is, how smoothing it is to my lips, and how shiny it is. So I think this is all around a fantastic lip gloss. Oh, an update on how it looks on my hand. It does have a little bit of pink color to it. I think just about as much of a color difference that it has on my lips. So it's really subtle. Yeah, I love this. I feel like it's super flattering and it just feels so nice on my lips, and I'm always looking for something that's super deeply moisturizing for my lips, not just a lip gloss that coats over dry areas, but that actually deeply moisturizes and gets rid of any dry, chappedness to my lips. And this $2 product is doing that. So I love this, and I'm really happy with the color it turned to on me. I have no complaints with this. I would highly recommend it. If you have already tried this out, I would love to hear in the comments down below if yours changed to this same little hint of pink. It's maybe a little bit more like a purpley toned pink. That's what it is for me, but I would love to hear what it turns to for you, if it's about the same or if it's totally different. But this was really fun, and I love trying out kind of unique or gimmicky types of makeup products. So if you have any recommendations of other gimmicky, fun types of products that you would like to see me try out on my channel, just let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.